Let's go ahead and turn this car around. Air, because we're going to be working on the bumper today. Yo, what's up guys? How's it going? Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Today's video, we're gonna be completing my 2014 Mustang's ROUSH conversion, at least the front end in this case. We already got the back, like GT500 vibes going on in the back already, and we're trying to go for ROUSH front end vibes. I'm also thinking about throwing an older video when I installed the ROUSH fog lights, because I know some people are curious to see how that install went. I recorded that video a while back, so I might look a little different or whatnot. I'll go ahead and edit that video into this one. I am gonna replace my fog light because it cracked. So if you're thinking about doing the fog light conversion, ROUSH conversion, beware that the fog lights do tend to crack, so keep that in mind, guys. First off, let's start off by popping up the hood and taking out this cover, the engine cover. Also, I have to lift my car up because since I have a Boss 302 / California Special Splitter, I have to unbolt some bolts, unscrew some bolts from down here, which are gonna be those right there. 1, 2, there's a couple. Bumpers out. Let's go ahead and replace the fog light first because it's bugging me. They're pretty cheap, but imagine spending that like every 3 months or whatever. It adds up, guys. So shout out to Amazon. Just held by 4 little screws, just like that. Check out the damage that it did on this one. There's something loose in there. Oh no, hopefully that's not part of my LED. It looks like it might be. That's crazy. And big old crack. Alright, to remove these, you just gotta twist it. Boop. Damn, I think the little part was supposed to be on the tip. Go ahead and check out the other one. Alright, the new fog is in. Let's go ahead and open up this one and apply the 3M tape and whatnot. Before I did that, I went ahead and cleaned the area with some rubbing alcohol. And let's go ahead and... Alright, after I installed some clips in the back, go ahead and remove the 3M tape and press firmly as well. I already removed the bottom and it sticks pretty well. Now let's remove the top. And just like that, guys, we got ourselves the ROUSH conversion completed. Go ahead and install it. Should be good. We got the harness here. We got the 3M tape. Nice packaging to keep it all safe. It's like an ASMR, guys. This will be the housing to hold the fog lights in place. Ooh, this is a bad boy. That will be in the outside. Nice, very nice, liking it. And and the rest of the housing. Now that we have taped the template on and we've marked the little pilot holes, we can go ahead and remove the template. Bro, I could barely tell which ones are the marks that I did because my bumper's off. Not even gonna lie. But we're gonna get a paint job soon, so that's all good. So we got some more pieces out. Feels weird cutting ruby, but there goes that. There's no going back, guys. Alright guys, we're done cutting up ruby, and as you guys can see, I just need to touch up some parts, but it's pretty much done. We're also gonna need to cut this brace right here. Professional. Alright, so apparently we need to cut the bumper frame half an inch from both sides. So I did that. I did that to this side, and now we need to do it to this side. So I'll be back. Alright guys, that is going to be for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the install, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the new look. Alright, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys till next time.